Hello, welcome to Mind to Mind Learning, and in today's video we're going to take a look at how to make powerful presentations. There are 5 important things that we're going to look at which are going to take your presentations to absolutely next level. So let's get started and understand. So have you ever wondered, why most of the people who've been asked to do presentations, they get tensed, they get anxious to deliver those presentations? The answer for that is pretty simple, because they just don't know what are the important things that you need to look at if you want to make your presentations impactful and powerful. And that's what we're going to take a look at in this video. So number one, the reason people miss on certain important steps is because there are 3 parts to your presentation, the before, during and after. And these 3 phases or parts of presentation, the before, during and after, are very, very important. So the 5 important things that are going to make your presentations impactful. Number 1, storyline. Stories matter. Any presentation that you do, it could be a normal monthly review or a presentation that you do to your colleagues, or you do it to your high value customers. Always remember, whatever content you're building in your PPTs, there has to be a storyline, which means it has to unfold one after the other. And this is called as logical progression of your content, which unfolds like a story. So please ensure that your presentations have a storyline. Number 2, introduction. Introduction is something that's going to grab attention of your audience in the first 3 to 4 minutes. You see this picture here, the rocket is taking off. The rocket exerts maximum amount of energy in the initial phase, which we call it as an introduction. And exactly this is what needs to be done. You need to open and introduce your presentation with such high impact that you grab the attention of your audience. Tell them some interesting facts before you jump into the core topic. Get their attention so they know that there's something to look forward to in this presentation. Number 3, body language. Everybody knows about it, everybody speaks about it, but what exactly in body language? The dressing is important, which means you need to be wearing appropriate dressing for your presentation. Avoid loud colors, wear formal dressing. Your posture needs to be upright. This is where most of the people give up. They have loopy shoulders. They crouch inside the space, the presentation space, so the upright posture. That makes you look confident and is perceived confident. Eye contact, it's something very important. Most of the presenters only look at those people with whom they are comfortable with. And in the bargain, they miss out on the people who are also a part of their audience. But it's something called as a lighthouse effect. So you need to keep looking at the audience from left to right and right to left, which is called as lighthouse. Exactly what lighthouse does. And in the end, well groomed, which means you need to be well shaped. You have to take care of yourself. If you are a man or a woman who's presenting, please ensure that you're groomed really well when you have your presentation day. Number 4, practice. The moment you take presentations lightly, there are chances that they're going to go out of your hands. And that is the reason. Rehearse, practice in front of the mirror. One of the most powerful techniques, even most high-rated drama schools where the presentation and acting is taught, practicing in front of the mirror is one of the most powerful techniques. Practice with your friends and colleagues. If you miss this, there's going to be direct impact on the quality of your presentation. So please practice. And number 5 is what commitment you bring onto the table. Your commitment to your presentation is directly linked to the results that you get back. So take feedback from people, your colleagues, your peers, people who were there. Maybe it could be formal or informal, but feedback is important and you've got to work on it. These are the 5 important must knows to become an impactful and powerful presenter. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching the video, and if you really like, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so that you will encourage us to bring in excellent skill-based content to you. Thank you so very much.